Today we're taking a closer look at a really unique keyboard. This is the retro typewriter keyboard. And just look at this thing. Literally looks like a typewriter, even down to the wood grain, but it's actually a high performance gaming RGB style USB and Bluetooth keyboard for your computer. Has some hidden knobs and features here, some volume knobs, LED indicator up there. Also has a tray right here that you can actually set your iPad and connect this straight to your iPad. You don't even need a PC. So you can Bluetooth this, put your iPad here, and turn your iPad into an old school calculator. How cool is that? Right now I have it hooked to my PC though. It has a little lever here, and this controls your RGB settings. See your RGB? So anytime you want to change your RGB light, you just kind of give it a little click, and it will change the sequence that you get. Really cool. So absolutely love that. Let's take a listen for the clicks. Let me adjust the camera. Feels good, feels really cool, but just what a clever design. You got another knob here. You can push through the light to go bright and bright to dim. But just what a clever design, really cool. Great for anyone that loves that vintage vibe, old school typewriter look. Gotta love it. And look at that RGB dancing around the keyboard. So cool.